Hello friends, is your engine struggling to start, misfiring or running rough? If your car's check engine light is on and showing code P0347, you're in the right place. This error is linked to the camshaft position sensor, CMP, circuit low input, bank 2. If this sensor fails, your engine timing gets disrupted, causing poor acceleration, rough idling, and even sudden stalling. In this video, we'll break down what P0347 means, symptoms, sensor location, and how to fix it. Let's get started. P0347 stands for Camshaft Position Sensor A Circuit Low Input, Bank 2. The Camshaft Position Sensor, CMP, monitors camshaft rotation and sends signals to the Powertrain Control Module, PCM. This helps adjust fuel injection and ignition timing for smooth engine operation. When the PCM detects a low voltage signal from the CMP sensor, it triggers the P0347 error. This can lead to engine hesitation, misfires, or even failure to start. Common symptoms of P0347, check engine light CL, on, engine misfires or rough idle, hard starting or no start condition, loss of power while driving, increased fuel consumption, sudden engine stalls. Ignoring this code can damage your engine, so diagnosing it quickly is crucial. The camshaft position sensor, CMP, bank 2 is typically found in these locations, near the cylinder head, bank 2, in V6, V8, or V12 engines. Bank 2 is the side opposite cylinder 1. Inside the timing belt or chain area, some vehicles require removing the timing cover to access it. Check wiring and connectors. Look for loose, corroded, or broken wires. Faulty camshaft position sensor. A weak or damaged sensor sends low voltage signals. Wiring issues, broken, corroded, or loose wires can cause low input signals. Faulty crankshaft position sensor. A bad CKP sensor can interfere with camshaft readings. Weak battery or alternator low voltage supply affects sensor performance. PCM malfunction. In rare cases, the PCM may be causing the issue. Alright, let's get started with step 1. First, you'll need to use an obd2 scanner to check for any related codes such as P0340, P0346, P0348. Now, moving on to step 2. You'll want to locate the camshaft position sensor, also known as the CMP, on bank 2. Once you've found it, inspect the sensor carefully for any signs of damage or dirt. Alright, let's move on to the next steps. Step 3. Check the wiring harness and connectors for frayed, broken, or corroded wires. Step 4. Test the battery and alternator to ensure proper voltage levels. Step 5. Inspect the timing chain or belt for misalignment or excessive wear. Step 6. If the CMP sensor is faulty, replace it with a new one. Step 7. Clear the codes using an obd2 scanner and take the car for a test drive. A faulty camshaft position sensor or CMP, bank 2 can cause hard starting, rough idling, and power loss. Fixing P0347 will restore proper engine timing and performance. Want to learn more about related issues? Watch these next videos. P0342, Camshaft Position Sensor Circuit Low Input, and P0343, Camshaft Position Sensor Circuit High Input. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.